Now we discuss motion problems, basics problems. So first you understand what is the question here. What is the average speed of the car if it is covered 200 kilometer? So how much distance they cover? 200 kilometer in 5 hours. So 5 hours is how many kilometer they cover? 200 kilometer in 5 hours. So what is the definition? Distance cover how much? 200 kilometer per hour. Time taken how much? 5 hours. So what is the, you calculate average velocity. You calculate the average velocity. So what is the average of velocity? Speed is equal to total distance time traveled divided by total time taken. Okay. So how much here? Total distance is how much? 200 divided by 5. So time is the power 5. So 5 on the 5. 540 is a. So how much kilometer? 40 kilometer per hour. You reach the 200 kilometers. Okay. This is the first problem. Now we discuss second problem, which has, very important, which has a higher acceleration. An aeroplane that goes to 1000 kilometer per hour, okay, and to 1500 1005 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds, or skateboard goes from the 0 to 5 kilometer in 1 second. So look at here, very question is important. Which has higher acceleration? You can calculate the first acceleration. Acceleration means, what is the definition? The rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called the acceleration. Before you learning the acceleration, so understand what is the question here. Aeroplane that goes to 1000 kilometer per hour to 1005 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds, or skateboard is go from 0 to 5 kilometer in 1 second. So calculate here which one is the moving very fast, aeroplane or skateboarder. Okay, so what is your calculation here? Which one is the moving very fast acceleration, aeroplane or yeah skateboard? Okay, now this we know that change in what is the definition of acceleration? The rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called acceleration. So change in velocity is how much? 1005 minus 1000. This is called initial velocity. This is called final velocity. Okay, this is a, so 1005 minus 1000. So how much kilometer? 5 kilometer. So we know that 5 into kilometer per hour. How can write this expansion? Meter per second. If you convert means, what is the value? 5.18 is the formula. 5 by, when you convert the kilometer to meter per second, this you can add 5 by 18. Okay, so what is the year? 5 into 5 by 18. So what is the year product? 5 is a 25 here. So divided by 18 meter per second. This is a what? How many seconds? 10 seconds. Okay, so we know that change in acceleration is what? Change in velocity upon time taken. We know how much time, the given time, you can calculate. Change in velocity is given how much? 25 meter per second. Substitute here. So what is the year? 25 by 18 into this is down only. That's why we write 1 by 10 is equal to how much? If you calculate this one, you got 0.138 meter per second. This is what is called meter per second. Okay, this is what? Aeroplane. Now we calculate the skateboard. Okay, change in velocity how much? 5 minus 0. So 5 into kilometer is how much? 5 by 18. So 25 by 18. 5. Okay, so directly we add 5. 5 into 5 5s are 25. 25 by 18. So 25 is how many seconds? They're traveling 1 second. Substitute here. 25 by 18 into 1. So how much? This is a 1.38 meter per second. So which one is the moving very fast? You can compare aeroplane and skateboard. So a skateboard is very fast, it's moving as compared to aeroplane. This is the second problem. Okay, we discuss third problem. Now we discuss third problem. So what is the third problem? What is the de-acceleration? De-acceleration means what? Decreasing the velocity. Okay, so understand what is the de-acceleration. What is the de-acceleration means what? Decreasing the velocity of a vehicle moving in the straight line. that change in velocity from 100 kilometer to that stop in the 10 second. So 10 seconds is how much they are stopping that vehicle. So deceleration means what? Decreasing the velocity. We know that initial velocity how much? 100 kilometer. So how much here? Look at here. So 100 here is a vehicle ride is how much? 100 kilometer. Okay. Velocity is how much? 100. This is a what? 100 kilometer. Initial velocity. Final velocity how much? 0, because they are stopping. Before is about when they are moving very fast. So 100 kilometer per hour. Look at here. Here is a 100 kilometer. Initial velocity is how much? 100 kilometer per hour. Final velocity how much? 0, because they are first is what they are moving very speed. After they apply the brake, the speed is decreasing. That's what happened initial. Initially final velocity is what? 0. So what is the acceleration definition? Change in velocity upon time. So change in velocity means final minus initial. Final means 0, initial means 100. So how much? Minus 100 kilometer per hour. But 100 kilometer per hour. So you convert this kilometer to meter per second. What is the formula? 5 by 18. This is a meter per second formula. Okay. Substitute here. Minus 100 into 5 by 18. So how much? Minus 500 divided by 18 meter per second. You got this one. After this one, so you calculate the time. How much time taken? Time is how much here they given? 10 seconds. Okay. So deceleration change. What is the definition of deceleration? The rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called as deceleration. Acceleration and deceleration different. Acceleration means they are moving very fast. Deceleration means speed is a low. We are reducing the velocity. But acceleration means they are moving very fast. Deceleration means that velocity is decreases. So difference between, remember that. Okay. Deceleration is what? Change in velocity upon time. So change in velocity how much? Minus 500 by 18. Minus 500 by 18. Okay. Into how much time taken? 10 seconds. So we know that formula. Change in velocity upon time. Time is how much? 1 by 10. So how much you got? Minus, if you substitute this, you calculate cancellation all this one. So you get 5 1 5 5 0 this one. Then what is you get? Minus 277 meter per second square. So what is the SI unit of acceleration? SI unit of deceleration is what? Meter per second square. This is, remember that. Okay. So this is how much speed the movie, the decreasing speed, minus 7.5 meter per second. Okay. This is a problem. Now we discuss one graph, very important graph. So what is the graph here? Y coordinate distance, x coordinate time. So this is about straight line. When the body is moving, remember that the direction of the motion of the cycle is constant, then concluding that the velocity of the constant means when the body is moving continues over same speed. This is the body, suppose car. Okay. If car is moving continuously constant speed, constant velocity, suppose constant velocity, that time is what happened? Constant velocity, that time also constant. Okay. So what is the year? So this we call the constant velocity. Okay. Suppose initial velocity is what we call, example, 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. Final also we want 50 kilometer per hour. So this is what we got. Graph is what? Always constant. This is a graph representation. Now we discuss